Seriously, Grabie really knows how to grab me with these products. Here's another collage book from them. You might have seen my flip through the fall one. This is Christmas. It's cat approved, so we're gonna take a look at this today. My affiliate link for Grabie is in the description box of this video. I also have a discount code for you. You can save 15% when you use code planningwithbumble, and I'll put all that information down there as well. Look at this. It arrived just in time for me to start thinking about Christmas type spreads and Christmas journal stuff. And I don't know, I just love stationery. So I'm gonna have to move my cat. Wallace, I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to get off the desk so that we can take a look at this book. He's like, I don't really wanna move, Mom. All right, buddy, come here. Come here, old boy. Wallace is 14 years old. He's an old boy. He's a sweetheart. If you've ever had a tuxedo cat, you probably know how very sweet and loving they are. But enough about Wallace. Let's check out this Grabie cut out and stick it collage book called Holiday Magic. I'm a sucker for this kind of stuff, and I love that it's all in one book. And it's a thick book. I don't like to have to hunt for things, and I love that it's all in one book. So let's just check it out. I haven't looked at it yet. I just kind of glanced through. So this book belongs to, if you want to put your name in it. One good thing about these books is that there's stuff to cut out on like all the pages. You could even cut this out if you wanted to. Of course, it's the cover, but you could. You can cut it all up, and that's what I intend to do. These pages are perforated, and they're just super easy to pull out and use as you need. This says, this collection is thoughtfully organized into 3 distinct sections to guide you on your creative journey. A winter's first kiss, wrapped in love, and making merry memories. So pretty already, isn't it? I love that. Here's the first section, A Winter's First Kiss. Really pretty. Ooh, there's foil. I love these colors. How cute is this? And everything's double-sided, so, you know, the only problem with these books is you have to decide which page you're going to use, like which side, you know? Oh, how cute is that? And of course, you can always cut that out, you know what I mean? I'm going to be cutting these up. How to make paper snowflakes. Aw, I haven't made paper snowflakes in a really long time, probably elementary school. Actually, that's not true. I probably made them with my kids. We have some vellum paper here. This one is not vellum. This is just regular paper, I think. Ooh, look at that. How pretty is that? So it looks like there's vellum paper and then regular paper and then vellum and so on. This is really pretty. A little Christmas tree out of snowflakes. Ooh, pretty. These are paper die cuts that you can punch out, like you can see. They're punch outable. And some stickers. See, I just love how the back looks pretty too, you know? It's not just white. Some more stickers. Okay, the second section is called Wrapped in Love, filled with delightful gifting tags, festive holiday cards, and an array of charming stickers and washi tapes. This is paper, but you can use it as gift tags if you'd like. And same with this. This is paper. Here's stickers. Are they stickers? I don't know if these are... I'm trying to see if these are stickers or like paper punch outs. I don't think they're stickers. I think they're paper because I can't... Yeah, I think these are paper. So these are ones you can punch out, and you can also punch out the middle part. You can do like a little frame. Groovy. This is paper, but it's perforated between them so that you can use them like on your gifts or, you know, in your planner or journal. This would make a really cute spread, actually. Same with these. These are perforated, I think. It's hard to tell, but I don't think these ones are perforated. I think just these ones. Yeah. Cute though, very cute for cards. These are paper punch outs. And this opens up. Look at that. And this punches out. Everything punches out except I don't think the stars punch out. No. Another one that opens up. Same deal. And these are actually stickers, but they're cut out like stamps. Like, look how cute that is. Very, very cute. I really love stamp stickers for some reason. I always have. This opens up. Ooh, how pretty. I could see using this as like a backdrop for a junk journal page. And then the other side is cute too. These are punch outs, like it's this big for each one. Again, you can decorate your packages with these, or you can use them in your journal or whatever you want. I mean, this kind of book is so versatile because you can use it for all sorts of crafts, you know? Think outside the box. Very cute. These are perforated. They're like cardstock. Here comes Wallace again. Hi, buddy. You can lay there. It's okay. He likes to hang out with me. Some paper. And these are perforated. You can punch them out into squares. How pretty. These are perforated in rectangles like that. You can use that side if you want. We have some stickers here. These are on clear sticker paper. Same with these. Cute. I love a little bird. Lots of presents. And more presents. And more presents. Oh my gosh, it just goes on and on. There are so many pages in this. So these don't look like stickers, but they are stickers. They're washi tape stickers. So they're like really thin, which is so cool. I love washi tape stickers because they're easy to pull up if you make a mistake, you know. And these pages are all stickers. It looks like paper. I thought it was at first, but it's definitely washi tape stickers. Very, very cool. Like, look at this tree. So cool. Love that. Another page of them. And more. They keep going. I was wondering how they were going to put washi tape in here. The stickers. And more of them. And more, you guys. There's so many of them. It keeps going. Okay, that's the washi tape. Wait, is this still washi tape? This is still washi tape. Wow. And more. Okay, that is the end of the washi tape stickers. But these are strip stickers. They're this big. And I love this because this will be great for my junk journal to be able to just like put on the top or bottom. I like that color palette. And then these are thinner. They're more skinny. And more of them. These are all strips, you guys. See? Some of them are thin and some are thicker. Like this one's thicker. You can kind of see what they are. And more. These will also be really cute to decorate packages with. Presents. And more. These are all strips. Okay. Now we're into the Making Merry Memories section. Now that the presents are wrapped and the cards are sent, it's time to gather together and make some merry memories. This chapter is your holiday party in a book filled with everything you need for festive fun with friends and family. From paper ornaments to decorate the tree and wish jars to capture your hopes for the new year to playful games to share with loved ones, these pages are designed for celebration. Oh, I love this. It's so cute. This is like cardstock. Same with this. Oh, wait. Do you punch these out? Oh, they're punch-outable. It's hard to tell in these books, like, what is punch-outable and what isn't, but this definitely is. You can punch out the window. I don't think the tree is, though. I think it's just the window, which is interesting. You can do, like, little cutouts. And then the tree, you can punch out. I think it's just the tree. This is interesting. It looks like these are all like really thin paper punch outs. Same with this. And ho ho ho, this is actually just paper, not punch out. And same with this one. And we have candles. These, wait, can you punch these out? They like to throw those in to mess with me, like throw in a couple pages of just plain paper. And then I was like, oh, yeah, this is paper, but it's not. This is also like you can punch each little picture out. All these candles. And these are stickers. Wow. Those are cool. I like that. They would be really cute to make a spread with. You get more candles. These you can punch out. These ornaments. More of those. I love how big they are. They're so fun. You can punch these out as well. Okay, here's just some paper. Some pretty little scene. And this is like a thin paper punch out. Ooh. Wow. This is just begging for me to use a white paint pen on it, you know what I mean? And make a snow globe, draw something. More snow globe here. You can also just, oh wait, this one's punch outable. So is this. See, they got me again. They fooled me. So it looks like you can either punch out the circle and like have something underneath, you know what I mean, to just whatever you need, or you can just use it as is because the other part of it is not punched out. It's just the circle part you can punch out. Same here. But yeah, I was going to say that you can use like, you can cut out pictures, like do a collage or something and put it in here. I think that would be cute. These you can all punch out like the whole thing, not just the circle. They're pretty thin. Looks like this one is just paper. It's so cute though. It's so cute. Yeah, like a joy jar. This one is paper as well. We have a piece of star vellum. And then a page of Christmas trees. There's so much in here. We have some vellum polka dots, more trees. These are stickers. Look at Santa. He's on the move. Paper airplane. How cute is this? What is that? Oh my gosh. Very, very cute. I love how they make the backgrounds of the pages like bright and colorful. Oh, look, if you're going on vacation, here's your vacation page. The starfish is Santa. Crazy. These are like that thin punchable paper. Maybe there's a name for these. I'm just calling them punch outs. I don't know the names for things in general. So yeah, I kind of just do my own thing and call them thingamajigs and whatchamacallits and whatevers, you know. Anyway, sweaters. And this is just paper. It says ho ho ho. We've got the stockings. You can cut each of those out individually though and use them. Same with these. Oh, these are stickers. How cute are these? Excuse me, Wallace. These cassette tapes. How cute. These would be great. I almost said ho cute. Ho ho ho. These will be great for like a page of like a Christmas playlist, you know, or music to play at the party. I don't know. Oh, a maze. That's fun. Let's do it now. It looks pretty easy, but I'm going to give it a shot. I'm using pen. That's bold, I know. I know. Oh, wait. I'm not starting there. I'm starting here. What am I doing? I haven't done a maze in a very long time since my kids were little also. Where are we going? We are going this way. Yes. And I found Santa. He got his milk and cookies. But that's fun if you have kids to give to them. Some gingerbread. How fun. Speaking of kids, this whole book I think would be fun with kids, like to make things, crafts at Christmas time and stuff. There's lots you can do with these. Or you can make cards. I mean, the options are endless. Is this a sticker? What is happening here? This feels like sticker paper. It is sticker paper, you guys. This whole thing's one big sticker. Crazy. I love it. And this is also one big sticker. These are not cut out, I don't think. It seems that they're one really large sticker. Wow. I think. Again, kind of hard to tell. These are individual though, these little guys, see? And you get a lot of gingerbread men and women. Look how cute they are. You get so many of them. They're going to be fun to use for like a gingerbread spread. Oh, that rhymed. These are stickers. These are also stickers. They're kind of stylized, right? Look at them. That's kind of cool. Different. Oh, look, a pocket folder in the back, and you get papers. You get extra papers. What a bonus. Oh, wait, these are big. Whoa. Okay, that's the one side, and this is the other one. So you can wrap your presents in this, or you can use it for your paper crafting stuff. But it can serve as wrapping paper, I guess. I don't know if that's what it's for or not. But they're really big, though. How big they are. Ah, we've got the red and green. Nice. Okay. How cute is that? I was going to do a video today where I used this, but like I'm not ready to make Christmas stuff yet. I'm just not, but I'm getting prepared for it. I'm filming this on November 11th and I'm just not quite there yet, but I wanted to show it to you because now is the time to grab it. Grab it, get it? These tend to sell out, these collage books, so I would, if you're interested in getting it, I would probably grab it now. Grab it. I hope you enjoyed this flip through, and again, my link is in the description box, and you can use code planningwithbumble to get 15% off this cutie. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.